Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Krystal, and today we're gonna be making the vanilla truffle balls with the vanilla sandwich cookies instead of the chocolate ones that we did last time. So, you need some vanilla sandwich cookies. We use golden Oreos, but you can use, anything you want. And then we've got some cream cheese, the whole thing. And then you need a plastic bag to crush your cookies in. And you're going to need a cookie sheet with parchment paper to put your balls on, okay? So, first things first, I'm going to crush my cookies. So these are my crushed cookies. Now I'm gonna put them in this bowl with cream cheese and mix them up. I'm gonna start doing my balls. So I've made all my Oreo balls and now I'm gonna go put them in the freezer for a little bit. All right, so I've got my white chocolate candy pieces and I'm going to melt them down. I'm gonna put them in the microwave for 1 minute to start out with, and then we'll see how it is. Okay, so it actually took my chocolate. It took 2 minutes, so I put it in for a minute, and then I put it in for 30 seconds, put it in for another 30 seconds, and then I mixed it up. So it actually took 2 minutes in total. Now I'm gonna get my balls out of this. Okay, so chocolate, I've got some sprinkles for some of them, and I've got my frozen balls. So I'm gonna start. Okay, so I'm gonna eat my sprinkles one. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this is really, really good. It's sweeter than the chocolate one, obviously, but if you're not into chocolate, definitely go for this. Have a good one, guys.